How many ways?
Two ways.
Two ways. What are the two ways of
Two ways.
reproduction of plants? What are the two
From
ways?
seed. Number one from seeds. Number two from body parts.
Yes. Okay. So students, you tell me. Now I'm asking you, all the plants that grow basically from what? Seeds. Okay. So tumalke jiblak our surroundings, the most of the plants that you have seen in our surroundings grow from the seed. Okay. Okay. So yesterday's video I told you that how does a seed form? Yes. In this video I am going to tell you how does a seed forms. Okay. So students, you all know that what is the main reproductive part of plant? Plants or main reproductive plant ki hoy? What is the main reproductive part of plant? Prabal, you say me, what is the main reproductive part of plant? Prabal, you tell me what is what?
Seed.
Seed, not seed. Main reproductive organ is called the flower. The main reproductive organ of this is the main reproductive organ. Listen to me now carefully. This is the main reproductive organ. Okay, this is the flowers are the main reproductive organ of what? Plants. Okay, so yesterday I told you that how does two plants reproduce? Okay, how does plants reproduce? Plants reproduce. This is the reproductive organ. Monot rakhiba. This is the reproductive organ. Okay, flowers are the reproductive organ. And yesterday I told you that pollination is the. If you have seen my video yesterday, if you watched my video yesterday, then you could obviously found this term pollination. Okay, pollination means this is the process through which plants reproduce. Okay, pollination is the way through which two flowers reproduce. Okay, Prabal, are you listening me? Are you listening me carefully? Am I audible? Am I audible or not? Moi bhalke huna paisu ne tumalokor tat? Am I audible or not? Prabal,
Yes.
yes, very good, very good. Then it is very good. Okay. So I am going to show that how two flowers reproduce. Okay. So flowers are the main reproductive organ and how flowers repollinate each other. Okay. So let me draw two flowers. Okay. Niharika, are you present? Niharika present ase na nai? Niharika, are you present here? Asane? Asane? Niharika, are you present? Asane nai? Very good, very good. Okay, sir. So I am drawing two flowers. Okay, this is two flowers. Okay, two flowers. Okay. These are called the male reproductive organs. In a flower, there are two types of. In a flower, there are two types of reproductive organs are there. As epa fulot ki thake, duta reproductive organ thake. Thik ase? In a flower, there are two types of reproductive organ. One is called the. These are called the
Male.
These are male reproductive organs, and this is called the female reproductive.
Female.
Okay. So now take out your copy and tell me the name of this part. What is this called? What is this called? The male reproductive organ.
Stigma.
Stigma. Yes, exactly. These are called the stigma. These are called the stigma. And what is this? This is called the female reproductive organ. This part is called the female reproductive organ.
reproductive organ.
Okay. What is the name of this female reproductive organ? Example, tell me the name of this female reproductive organ. Arshita. Arshita. Arshita.
Yes, sir.
You tell me this the name of this female reproductive part. What is this? Yesterday. Huh? Huh?
Stigma.
Stigma. No, this is called not stigma. This is not stigma.
Style.
Huh?
Style.
Which one is called? Style and stigma. Stigma ka koi? Stigma is female reproductive organ or style? Called style. Style and stigma. What was you say? All students, you are requested to mute your video. Students, mute your audio. All the students are requested to mute your audio. Then you will not, if you don't mute your audio, then you could not see my voice clearly. Watch my voice clearly. Okay. So these are called style and stigma. Okay. So the process through which two flower fertilizes. Okay. The process through which two flowers reproduce is called the pollination. So in the exam, I will ask you these questions. What is the process called the fertilization of two flowers? Yes, the process of this fertilization of flowers is called pollination. Pollination means when the male reproductive organs, these are called the male reproductive organs. These are called the stigma. Yes. These male reproductive organs when goes to carried by some insects. Who carries this? Insects. Insects carry this. Okay. Insects carry this. Insects like bees and other insects carries this male reproductive organs, and it carried to the female reproductive organ. Okay. This process is called the pollination. Students, have you got to know? This process is called what? Pollination of flowers. Okay. You could okay, I am again explaining. This process of fertilization of flowers is called pollination. Okay. So students, yesterday's video I told you that all the plants that gives flowers not produce fruits. Yes, all the plants that gives flowers not produce fruits. মানে গুটেইবিলাক plants যিবিলাকে কি কৰে flowers দিয়ে হয়নে যিবিলাক plantsত flowers হয় but কি হয় all the plants that gives flowers may not give fruit দিব নোৱাৰিব পাৰে because only fruit can give by the process of pollination means fertilization of flowers হলেহে মানে কি দিব পাৰিব only because of fertilization যেতিয়া হ'ব তেতিয়াহে কি কৰিব পাৰিব fruits দিব পাৰিব বুজি পাইছানে that is why all the planets cannot give fruits বুজি পাইছানে তোমালোকে আমাৰ সাৰাউন্ডিংছত এনেকুৱা কিছুমান গছ দেখিবা যিবিলাকে কি দিব নোৱাৰিব fruits দিব নোৱাৰিব but that flowers হয় only because of কি কাৰণে নোৱাৰে হিহঁতে that pollination বা fertilization process নহয় ঠিক আছে লয়নি বুজি পাইছা নে লয়নি
Yes, sir.
কি বুজি পাইছা কোৱাচোন
Yes.
tell me what you have learned লয়নি তুমি কোৱাচোন মোক কি বুজি পাইছা লয়নি can you explain what you have learned
Sir, যদি পরীক্ষাত আহে what is called pollination কি লিখিব লাগিব
yes so exactly I will give the definitions okay I will give the definitions so students you write the definition of pollination so students you write the definition of pollinations a little bit problem is occurring here okay so students now you write the definition of pollination এতিয়া তোমালোকে pollination or definition to লিখা all the students to write the definition of pollination pollination is the process through which
স্যারে এটি মোবাইল রাখছি
ৰিডম্পল লিখিছানে
yes sir স্যার কলমেদি লিখিম
কলমেদি লিখা
सर दिखाई नहीं दे रहे
हाँ दिखाई नहीं देगा तो अभी देगा अभी दिखाई दे रहा है
यस
पानी
अभी दिखाई दे रहा है क्या
सर बाई के बाद क्या है
by pollen grains
सर पोलन ग्रेन्स মানে কি
pollen grains means style and stigma pollen grain means style and stigma da মই যে তোমালোকক flower to দেখাইছিলো তাত কি দেখাইছিলো one is male reproductive organ and another is female reproductive organ when these two reproductive organs means pollen grains style and stigma যেতিয়া তাত mix up হবো বুজি পাইছানে stigma বিলাক যেতিয়া ষ্টাইলত যাব বুজি পাইছানে তো তেতিয়া কি হ'ব pollen grain start হৈ যাব তোমালোকক যে মই yesterday I gave the picture
yes
okay so students listen to me কি কৈছে ইয়াতে after pollination the flower is fertilized ঠিক আছে means pollination হোৱাৰ পাছতহে flower to ki hobo fertilization hobo, then only the flower could give the fruits. Buji paisa ne? That is why all the trees that gives flowers may not give fruit. Okay, only a fertilized flower can make fruit and produce seed inside it. Okay,
Question is that the done or not?
huh?
হৈছে না ওনার?
লিখিছা নে? Have you complete?
দেখিছো স্যার হৈছে না?
কি লিখিছা কোৱাচোন আনসাৰ?
কমপ্লিট হৈছে না ওনা স্যার?
হা হা হা,
আনসার তো কমপ্লিট হৈছে না ওনা স্যার?
complete, answer is complete. পানি নাই। So students, complete or not?
Yes.
Complete.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So students, I told you that plants reproduce only two ways. You also write this. Plants reproduce in how many ways? Two ways. Okay. Plants reproduce in two ways. First is what? From seeds. You also write this. From seeds.
Sir.
Oh.
ক্লিয়ার?
Edu question নহয়, edu tuma notes this notes. This is you can consider as your
Sir.
note. Oh.
Sir.
Qua. Liman qua. Qua. Liman qua. Okay, so these are the two ways through which the plants, reproduce. Okay, you also write this. The two ways of reproduction by plants. Okay, now I am going to tell you how does this seed form. Harshita, written? Complete or not? Have you complete? If complete, now raise your hands. If you have completed, raise your hands. Raise your hands if you have complete. Harshita. Okay, very good. Okay. Now I am. Okay. Now you look at this paragraph. Reproduction from seeds. Look at this paragraph in your book. Okay, in this paragraph it is written that only a fertilized flower can make fruit and produce seed inside it. বুজি পাইছা নে তোমালোকে? এক্সাম্পল কি হৈছে তোমাৰ? So ইয়াত কি কৈছে? Only a fertilized flower can give fruit. Okay, so when the fruit are ripened, the seeds become ready for producing new plants. বুজি পাইছা নে? So seedor pora ketia, when the seed will be ready for reproduction, that means producing new plants. Means at a seed, suppose this is a seed. Let us consider this is a seed. This is a what? Seed. What is this? Okay, students, what is this? This is the seed. Okay, this is the picture of a seed. बुझी पाइसा ने? Okay.
सारे draw करना है.
Yes, you have to draw it. Draw.
draw করে?
Copy draw করা. Draw in copy.
Pencil now.
draw करे
Huh? Always morning.
स्केटिंग करना अच्छी ना बुरी बात है। ऐसे बनाए ना पेंसिल से बनाए
पेंसिल से बनाओ। This is the structure of who is singing song? Who is singing song? Students, let's first you draw this picture. First you draw this picture.
done
Done. Let me give some minutes. So students, have you drawn? Have you drawn the picture?
no sir no
Yes.
no sir
Yes, sir. Why are you taking so much time?
sir done
Done.
no yes
So this is the students. This is the picture of a. This is the structure of a seed. Okay. So you could see here. This is the call. This is called the embryo. This is the little leaf inside the seed. Okay. Have you drawn? Have you complete, students? Complete or not?
yes sir
Loini draw
yes
kore
sir
Loini complete holle non?
yes sir
Loini complete?
yes
Yes. Oh, students, you have to again join the class. Students, you have to again join the class by clicking the link. Okay. That means already in my time is over. Only 40 minutes could be done in one session of class. Okay. Understand? तुम लोग मेरे बात ओके किमान मिनट আছে
sir এই লিঙ্কতে ক্লিক করিম
Oh, no,
9
no.
minutes sir
One another link will be sent in the WhatsApp. Okay.
okay
Then you will again join. Now class is going on, but suddenly the class will off. Understand? আবিটা এটা কৰি থাকা বাট যেতিয়া সেশনটো যাবগে তোমালোকে আকৌ জয়েন কৰিবা ঠিক আছে so this is the structure of a seed so students you could see here a seed has three main parts okay this is the structure of a seed and you could see the three main parts of a seed this is called the seed coat that means this seed coat covers the whole seed okay this seed coat and this seed coat is the hard outer covering of the seed that means this part that means I am showing this okay this is called the seed coat and this seed coat covers all the seed and it's protect the whole seed that means it's like a skin of our body part that like skin is the largest body part yes and the skin covers our whole muscles isn't it so like this seed coat is the outer part of the seed and this seed does what this seed provides protection to the grain as well as the baby plant inside okay and this seed coat provides like do like as a protection of the whole seed and protects the little baby inside it this is called the baby plant this embryo is also called the baby plant like this is like a baby plant okay students this is like the baby plant okay so this is called the seed coat okay next part is our cotyledons okay this part তোমালোকে have you seen a তোমালোকে বীজ দেখিছা নে তোমালোকে কি দেখিছা students have you seen any seed তোমালোকে seed দেখিছা নে seedৰ যদি আমি তাৰ যদি outer surface kon মানে seedৰ যদি আমি দেখিছা হয় নে seedৰ যদি আমি outer surface kon তাৰ গুছাই দিও তাতে দুটা ডাঙৰ মানে কি ওলাই বাকলি টাইপ নিচিনা ওলাই মানে দুটা ডাঙৰ কি ওলাই লিফ ওলাই ৰিডাম্পল তুমি seed দেখিছা নে ৰিডাম্পল have you seen any seed
দেখিছো স্যার
yes. So if you uncover the outer part of the seed that means if you uncover the seed coat খন যদি তুমি অলপ উলিয়াই দিয়া এনেকে মানে seed coat খন যদি আঁতৰাই দিয়া তাৰ ভিতৰত তুমি কি দেখিবা দুটা ডাঙৰ এনেকে বস্তু দুটা দেখিবা মানে এনেকে দুটা বস্তু দেখায় হয়নে দুটা বস্তু দেখিবা এনেকে this is called the cotyledon means the inner part of the seed is called the cotyledon what is the name of this part cotyledon that is if you uncover the seed coat kon jodi তোমালোকে এনেকে আঁতৰাই দিয়া তাৰ ভিতৰত থকা যেটো পাৰ্ট সেই পাৰ্টটো কি কোৱা হয় cotyledon বুলি কোৱা হয় and it stores the food for the baby plant আৰু এই cotyledon পাৰ্টটো কি কৰে বেবি প্লান্টৰ কাৰণে যিবিলাক বেবি প্লান্টটো বাহিবৰ কাৰণে সিডৰ ভিতৰত এটা কি থাকে বেবি প্লান্ট থাকে এই বেবি প্লান্টটো ডাঙৰ হ'বৰ কাৰণে to grow this baby plant this cotyledon stores some food in it okay have you understand have you get it students
Yes, sir.
are you getting it
Yes, sir.
okay very good
Yes, sir.
okay yes,
Yes, sir.
that means this cotyledon is the part of the seed this cotyledon is the part of the seed that lies inside the seed coat or ভিতৰত থকা যেটো part তাক কোৱা হয় cotyledon বুলি কোৱা হয় ঠিক আছে yes and this stores food so this cotyledon this part that means this part stores কি কৰে this part stores food for the baby plant okay next I say amar baby plant which one is called baby plant মই যে তোমালোকক baby plant কৈ আছো actually baby plant মানেনো কি হয় ঠিক আছে what is baby plant inside a seed what is baby plant inside a seed
Embryo.
Yes. Embryo, not embryo.
Embryo.
Embryo. Yes, exactly. This is called the baby plant. Yes, embryo. This embryo is grows into a new plant. Students, I am telling that there is a baby plant in the seed. In the seed. Okay. And this baby plant is also called the embryo. What is this called? This is called embryo. Embryo grows into a new plant from a seed.
Embryo.
Yes, and this embryo grows into a new plant. This embryo grows into a new plant from the seed. Okay, and it's a very small part that lies at the base of the seed. Seedor bhitor thoka ekdom horu part eta hoy aru etu hoy baby plant. This is the baby plant that grows into a new plant. So, students, are you understand? Have you got it? Are you getting it? Students, Samiksha, are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
Samiksha, Samiksha, tell me what is the name of the baby plant that lies in the inside of a seed?
Embryo.
Embryo, yes. And all of you say along with me. The baby plant
The baby plant.
Baby plant.
inside
Inside a
seed is called embryo.
embryo.
And this embryo
This embryo
grows into a new plant. Yes. Very good, very good. Students, you write one sentence. Students, you write one sentence. The embryo. Students, you write this sentence. The embryo of a seed grows. The embryo of a seed grows into a baby plant. Okay, students, you write this sentence. All the students are asked to write this sentence. The embryo of a seed grows into a baby plant.
Sir, done.
Done. So students, this seed is the first stage of a plant.
Sir, done.
Okay, students, let me tell one sentence. This is the seed. Listen to me carefully. Don't write now. Have you finished? Liban, have you finished?
Yes, sir.
Have you finished? Very good, very good. So, let me tell something. This is the seed. A seed is the first stage of life cycle of a plant. Planter is the life